supermarket. It's snowing. See my windshield and my window. It's so foggy and snowy tonight until 8 p.m. only. So tomorrow it's cloudy again. Saturday, good weather, sunny. And Sunday, Monday, it's cloudy. And Tuesday, it's mixing sunny and cloudy. So this is the weather update as of now. So extra income. Extra income. After work until 7 to 5:30. So this is the condition of Canada, Saskatchewan right now at the supermarket, okay? In front of the grocery store, okay? So it's okay. Subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video updates at weather in Canada, Saskatchewan, okay? So see you guys, that's all.